London City I was born in, and you know I love this town, but I can't pick up when she's calling.
So rhythm it was follow me to the place that raised me. Gave me the up and down that develop and shape me. Give me a run down down with a roughneck sound. There's a rat in the underground don't face me. I've never been the one to stay in just one place line. But I like when the music with the nothing screaming it right. From the mountain tops to an eastern top, or a tropical island to catch a nice vibe. But no matter where we go, we leave a London town. Rely on when we rain up in a backseat and turn up and then we're ready for the sound check jam. Sip on a little rum and run a rhythm and sound. Give me back on the road and the way today we racing. All kinds of talk, I get you down and we are facing. No matter where we go, we are coming on. I'm a still and Benny and give me another racing.
Well, I love the London music that comes before me time. But the new ones got me wicked, it was back in the 85. One of the funk or roots of culture, back took a lip up or grind. So I take a little trip on the Victoria line. And I trip a tipper, I read it down in a Brixton. Who run the tracks with the man in the sound like Saxon system. Stepping round town and we see the brethren, Osman, he says,
yes, when I make all nice some session. This in Stepper, Harry and the one last one. The trio we, yes, we all go join us one. So let's get together and do this boom song. We know them have been playing on them station. Or the visit on the television. Everybody stop the foot and everybody raise it on. You never know that this one's a champion. And what them talking about the place London.
because I really